In this video, we dive into the top 10 best foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals while keeping your body healthy. These nutrient-packed foods will provide you with the energy and nourishment you need. Join us as we explore these delicious and weight loss-friendly options. Discover the power of leafy greens in your weight loss journey. Learn how certain fruits can support your goals without sacrificing flavor. Explore lean protein sources that will keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Hit the subscribe button for more healthy eating tips, recipes, and lifestyle content. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are incredibly low in calories but high in fiber. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein. These nutrients promote overall health and can help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens also have a high water content which aids in hydration and satiety. Incorporate them into salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or as a side to almost any dish. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nutritional powerhouses. They are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. These fruits are great for reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries are also known to improve insulin response, making them excellent for managing blood sugar levels. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried as toppings for yogurt, oatmeal, or in smoothies. Lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and plant-based options such as tofu and legumes are perfect for weight loss. Proteins are vital for building and repairing tissues and keeping you full longer. They have a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting them. Adding lean proteins to your meals can help maintain muscle mass during weight loss. Grill, bake, or sauté these proteins with your favorite herbs and spices for a tasty and filling meal. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help regulate digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Whole grains also have a higher protein content than refined grains, aiding in satiety. Swap out white rice for quinoa or oats in your breakfast bowls, and use whole wheat pasta for a nutrient-dense alternative. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins E, K, and C, and potassium. Despite being calorie-dense, their healthy fats promote satiety and can help control cravings. The fiber content aids digestion and keeps you full longer. Use avocados in salads, on toast, in smoothies, or as a base for creamy dressings and dips. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Its thick texture makes it more filling compared to regular yogurt. Probiotics support a healthy digestive system, which is crucial for overall well-being. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh fruits, nuts, or honey to enhance the flavor. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They provide essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health and brain function. Despite being calorie-dense, their combination of nutrients helps regulate appetite. Enjoy them as snacks, in salads, or blended into smoothies, but remember to keep portions in check due to their high caloric content. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are high in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients such as iron and folate. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you fuller for longer. Legumes are also versatile and can be used in soups, stews, salads, or made into veggie patties. Their high fiber content improves digestion and aids in weight management. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They are hydrating, lower in calories, and can help reduce inflammation. Citrus fruits can also boost your metabolism. Enjoy them fresh, juiced, or as flavorful additions to water and salads. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, are nutrient-dense and high in fiber. They are known for their cancer-fighting properties and are low in calories, making them ideal for weight loss. These vegetables are versatile and can be roasted, steamed, or added to stir-fries and salads. Their fiber content helps promote a healthy digestive system and enhances feelings of fullness. And there you have it, the top 10 best foods for healthy weight loss. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into a balanced diet and adopting a healthy lifestyle will set you on the path to success. Which food are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.